For this video, I'm going to go through two fairly simple inequalities. In this case, some amount divided up into four pieces is going to be greater than this fraction, negative 5/12. Well, I want the variable by itself so I can know what it's supposed to be greater or less than. But right now it's getting divided up, so I want to take care of that. I want to reverse that. I'm multiplying this whole side by 4 over 1. And I have to multiply this side by 4 over 1 as well to adjust them. So this side gets 4 times bigger. These reduce to, it becomes a one-sized x. It was x chopped up, now it's just x not chopped up, full-size x. Nice. This side becomes 5 times 4 is 20 on top. 12 times 1 is 12 on the bottom. Don't forget this negative sign. Every little sign matters. And then ask yourself, did you divide or multiply by a negative? No, we did not. So the sign stays the same. The relationship is preserved. This side 4 times bigger is still greater than this side, now 4 times bigger. One last step would be to reduce this. Negative 10/6. X is greater than negative. I can go further than that. Nope. X is greater than negative 5/3, which is negative x is greater than negative 1 and 2/3. Now don't lose me here. Almost done. Number line. Let's put two numbers on there. 0, negative 1. And then here is my open dot, my blank dot, and x's can be greater than that, so they go this way. Great. Let's look at this one. Negative 10 times x is then greater than 60. Let's divide by negative 10. This is x. This is all that's left. And over here is negative 6. And ask yourself, did you divide or multiply by a negative? Yes, we did. So now the relationship is switched. Now x is less than negative 6. Let's graph it. There's negative 6. Blank dot, since there's no or equal to. Open dot. And there we have it. Now, does this make sense? Let's pick a number less than negative 6. Let's try negative 7. Put it back in the top. Negative 10 times negative 7 needs to be greater than 60. Let's see. Negative 10 times negative 7 is 70. 70 is greater than 60. So it works. As long as you pick a number that's smaller than negative 6, after you multiply by negative 10, it's going to be greater than 60. Happy Valentine's Day.